Hi beshies, welcome back to my channel. This is Team Hakansson official and I'm Mabel Hakansson and welcome to another vlog. So for today's vlog, we're going to do the unboxing of my headphone. This is where you will charge the headphone. There you go. I think this is the Bluetooth. Wait, the camera needs to focus. Focus camera. That's the Bluetooth. Yeah. Oop. Yeah, it's really nice. What do you think, beshies? I really like it. Let's see what's inside the box. beshies, welcome back to me. So that's it for today, beshies. Thank you so much for always watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and if you have same headphone as mine, please comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts about it, and because I don't know if it's good kind of headphone, let me hear you, beshies. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't already by clicking the subscribe button down below. Ring the bell so you will be notified every time I have new vlogs. Like, share, and comment down below. So again, this is Mabel Hakansson from Team Hakansson Official, signing off. Bye, beshies. Be safe and be nice. Bye.